Welcome to the Wall Street Systems software training. This video will show you how to set up your email account on your iPhone or iPad. First, you will go to Settings and tap Account and Passwords. Then tap Add Account, then Other. Tap Add Mail Account. Enter your credentials provided to you by the IT department. Enter your full name, email address, password, and any description you want for this account, for example, WSS email. Then tap Next. Select the POP or POP tab. For BroadwayIntermodal.com, ParkIntermodal.com, and WallStreetIntermodal.com email addresses, enter the following credentials. For the incoming mail server, under hostname, type mail.parkintermodal.com. Enter your full email address and your password. On the outgoing mail server, only type under hostname mail.parkintermodal.com. And for WallStreetSystemsInc.com, LexingtonIntermodal.com, and MadisonIntermodal.com email addresses, enter the following credentials. Under incoming mail server, you will type in, for hostname, mail.wallstreetsystems.inc.com. For username, your full email address and your password. Under outgoing mail server, you will type in mail.wallstreetsystems.inc.com for hostname. Then click Save. Wait until you finish verifying your credentials and find your email app on your phone, and your new email account should be listed there. Then you're all set. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us to the IT department, extension 778. This concludes the tutorial on how to set up your email account on your iPhone or iPad. Thank you for watching.